What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another easy install for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Just going to do these inserts for the rest of the chrome delete. Y'all see what I'm working with. Gotta take it all the way out. Same thing. This one is easier than the tail lights. It's just stick on 3M tape. So all you're gonna need is alcohol and of course these. Let's go ahead and knock this out. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I mean by just sticking on. I gotta turn the Jeep around anyway, so. Alright, so 3M tape. And let's go on top of it like that. Let's go ahead and get this warm start. Alright, so first thing you want to do, get your microfiber, spray some alcohol on it, and then wipe everything down. I honestly, to be real, I already did this, but I didn't record myself doing it, so it's already pretty much clean. So I already removed the 3M tape. Just put it on there. Also use a heat gun to heat up double-sided tape, but I'm gonna do the rest of these and I'll cut this back on. Alright, here we go. Fitment on all of them was good. One of them, you can kind of, yeah, like this one right here. Yeah, it's all the way on there. But other than that though, can't beat it. So, yeah, I'll put the link in the description for these. Hope this video helps somebody out. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.